We are going to see about in operator in database table. In MySQL, the in operator is used to specify multiple values in a var class, making it more convenient and efficient compared to using multiple or condition. It allows you to filter row based on whether a specified column value matches any value in a list. Now I am going to show you the syntax how to write in operator. For this, first we want to put select column 1 comma column 2 from table name where column name in value 1 comma value 2. Like this we want to write in operator. Now I will show you the real code. Before that I will explain you the code. The in this keyword is used to specify that the column value should match any value in the provided list. The column name specifies the column you want to filter on. The value and value 2 specifies the list of values to match against. Now I will show you the code. Select, I am going to select all the values, select star from employees where department in HR comma marketing. If I run this, see we are getting John and Alice where the department is HR and marketing. Now I will explain you the code. We are selecting all columns using the star from the employee table. We are specifying the condition in condition department in HR or marketing, which means we want to retrieve rows where the department column value matches either HR or marketing. The in operator simplifies the query and make it more readable compared to using multiple or condition. Is especially useful when you need to filter row based on column values matching any of the specific set of values. Additionally, it can improve query performance in some cases as MySQL can optimize the query execution when using the in operator. And thank you. With this, I am ending my video. Thank you.